How to create Microsoft Teams account. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, open your preferred browser and go to the Microsoft team. Then simply tap for the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams homepage, click on the sign up button available in the top right corner of your screen. After you tap on it, now, you will be navigated to the sign in section. If you already have a Microsoft account, example Outlook, Hotmail, Xbox, enter your email address and sign in. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click on Create One option available in the bottom and follow these steps. After you tap on the Create One, you will have to enter your email address, or you can choose to sign up with your phone number as well and create a password, fill in your name and other details, and you will receive a verification code via email or phone, and you will have to enter that code to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you will be prompted to set up your Microsoft Teams profile, enter your name, and if you are setting up a work or school account, you may need to enter additional organization details. Once the app is downloaded or signed in, you can use it accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.